Say banana. How do you say banana? Banana?
Can you say banana? I don't want to. I want to. Audrey. Banana? Did you have banana today?
No. Would you like a banana? Hey, baby girl. How do you want to go in the car?
Car.
Would you like some cheese? Cheese. You had a lot of cheese for dinner, huh? Did we go in the car today? Pasta. Do you want to take a bath tonight?
No.
No? Do you think you need to take a bath?
No.
I don't know. Look at that face.
Do you want Reggie to take a bath tonight? Reggie, you want to take a bath?
Audrey, are you in a food coma?
Do you want a banana?
A banana? Say banana. Good job. That was good.
Banana. Cake?
Cookie?
Cookie? Cheerios.
Cracker?
Reggie? You say Reggie?
Bottle?
No.
No.
Water?
Wow.
How about bubbles? How about daddy?
Daddy doesn't exist, remember?
How about daddy? Bubbles?
Where's baby? Where's your baby?
Baby?
Baby.
Do you love your baby? Give your baby kisses. Say mwah. 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 Can I have a wink? Wink. Hey, Audrey.
No.
Are you all done?
I wish it was
Oh shit, what?
wow noise. Blah blah.
Do you want more?
Tricky.
Are you all done?
That
All done. It's February 24th, and Audrey's all done with pasta dinner. Say bye-bye. Blow kisses, baby. Say bye-bye. Audrey. Mwah.
Baba. 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 Baba.
She's saying bubbles.
I don't know what she's saying.
Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say mommy.
Mama.
Mama.
Ma.
Say
Mama.
daddy. Can you say daddy? Not with my mouth full.
Daddy doesn't exist, remember?
Can you say daddy? How about grandma? Grandma? Grandpa? Zaby? Kiki? Kiki? Goodbye. Bye-bye. Mwah. Give kisses.